What's up, guys? It's Granger Smith. Welcome to the Mayo Family Vlog.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the Mayo Family Vlogs. Today we are doing the fruit challenge. We were challenged by TheZAMFam, so go get their channel and subscribe. We were going to challenge the Ravzzz, I don't know if that's how you say it, Kicking It Country Vlogs, the MARFO family, and XOCcruz Family. So, I'm going to put their links down in the description as well as TheZAMFam. Make sure you go check their channels out and give them a subscribe. Alright, we are going to do this right here. It is the a fruit parrot. Alright, let's go. Let's do this.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
It looks so beautiful.
Cool, cool. Got one?
You like the birds?
All right, guys. Well, that was an easy one. Kind of. I mean, you can kind of tell it's a parrot.
One looks like a bird. Like an actual bird.
Isn't that good? Alright guys, there's our take on a fruit parrot for the fruit art challenge. Remember, we were challenged by TheZAMFam! And we challenged the Ravzzz, but Kicking It Country, the MARFO family, and the XOCcruz family. So I will put the link in the description of all 5 of those channels. No, there's 5 because the people that challenged us, the family that challenged us. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description for all 5 of those channels. Make sure you zoom on over to their channel, subscribe to their channel, like their videos. They're all pretty awesome. Was that fun? You didn't really help much, you just ate. You just ate all the fruit. You ate all of it. You little piggy. Look, your belly's hitting the little thing. Make sure if you like this video to like, comment, and subscribe.
And it's right around down here.
The subscribe button's right over here.
Yeah, right by my arm. Right by my arm.
Or there'll be a little pop-up right about here.
Yeah, it's right here. It's right there. Don't forget it's right there.
I mean, it kind of looks like a parrot. You did a pretty good job, I think.
Yeah.
Just a big mess. Now we have to eat it all. Shame.
Shame.
You take your mess.
Shame, 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 shame.
Mmm.
Jaden, try a strawberry or a blueberry. They're good. They're river
Oh yeah,
accent.
they're good.
That's all I got one. What?
Blueberries don't taste good.
Don't forget to check out this weekend's vlog. We are going to smoke some lamb leg, and I have pork belly in the fridge to smoke some burnt pork ends. Got some Fortnite to go down. I hope you guys like that challenge. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later. Peace.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you.